Hi everyone, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters, and I'm here in Germany for the Nuremberg Toy Show and to announce my newest plastic model kit. And actually, my newest plastic model kit is going to be 35th scale, something a little bit different for me. And the very first kit I'm going to be doing is the 35th scale M3 and the M3A1 US Halftrack from World War II. Okay, here it is, guys. Here is the first advertisement for my brand new 35th scale M3 and M3A1 US Halftracks. Now, this is a smaller version of my 1/16 scale, which the 1/16 scale was an absolutely amazing kit. The CAD work was a year-long project that copied with incredible detail the real vehicle, and it's just a stunning piece of work here. Just like the 1/16 scale, the kit that you see right here, or both kits I should say, have full interiors. They have engines, fighting compartment, and the actual driver's compartment is all copied with the incredible detail of the 16 scale kit. Okay, as you look at the advertisement here, you're going to notice up at the top that it says 1+1. And I want to tell you what that means right here. So when this kit comes out, you will actually get two full kits. You're going to get the M3 and the M3A1 in their complete form. So it's not having to pick one or the other. Both full kits will be inside this box. And not only that, they will be less than the average cost of most other kits on the market. Now, we are in the very early stages of the production on this kit. In fact, the molds are being cut right now, and I hope to have the very first test shot sometime in April. And once the actual test shot comes out, we will have these up for pre-order on our website, andyshhq.com. And in fact, they'll be available probably for pre-order around the world, because this is going to be an incredible kit at an incredible price. Okay, guys, well, there's a look at the new 35th scale M3 and M3A1 1+1 pack. And I also want to tell you guys, too, for all my 16 scale fans, don't worry. I have something in the pipeline, something that has never been molded in 16 scale before, and it's a little ways out. It's still in the very early stages of production, and as soon as we get a little bit further along, I will make an announcement on my channel here. So please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. But I think the guys who are into 16 scale are going to be really, really excited about this next release. Well, there you go, guys. There is a look at these two new fabulous kits. Now, keep in mind, this is early in the process, or fairly early in the process. I won't actually get a test shot until sometime in April. And once I get the test shot and build them up, then we will put them up pre-order around the world. So it's still a couple more months away on that, but I'm super excited to tell you guys we are working on new projects. So there you go, guys. I want to take this opportunity to thank you as always for watching, and please stay tuned because I have many more videos coming.